For the second example, we're still gonna do the same type of conic section. So can you guess what conic section is this? It has different coefficient for the x squared and y squared. So circle is definitely not a good guess. And it's also not a parabola because both x and y have power 2. So this is actually an ellipse. So for you to find center, vertices, and foci, you first have to do completing the square to get it into standard form. So for x squared, completing the square, you have to arrange all the x together and the y together, and then the constant to the back. And then you cannot keep the coefficient 4, so you have to take out 4, and then x squared minus 2x plus 9, y squared minus 4y equals negative 4, and then x squared minus 2x plus negative 2 over 2 squared minus negative 2 over 2 squared for the x part, plus 9 y squared minus 4y plus negative 4 over 2 squared minus negative 4 over 2 squared, close bracket, for the y part equals to negative 4. So quickly take the first and the third term. 4 x minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 9, the first and the third term, y minus 2 squared minus 4 equals to negative 4. Don't just straight away move the constant to the back because you haven't expanded it yet. So you have to expand it. Y minus 2 squared minus 36 equals to negative 4. And then only you move it to the back. And then you have this on the right hand side. And when you move to the back, you're only left with 36. So this is not yet our final answer because you have to have right hand side equals to 1. So what you have to do is divide by 36 to get 1. So here you will have x minus 1 squared over 9 plus y minus 2 squared over 4 equals to 1. And this is the standard form. Okay? And then you have to recognize the center. It's actually 1, 2. And then this will be a squared. A squared is 9. So we have a is 3. B squared is 4. So b is 2. So you have a bigger than b. You're expecting a shape like this. Okay. And then your c squared is actually a squared minus b squared, which is 3 squared minus 2 squared. So you're gonna have c equals to square root of 5. Okay, we have all this information. Now we're gonna sketch the diagram. So it's gonna be something like this. Okay, the center is 1, 2. So this height is gonna be b, which is 2, and this is a, which is 3, and this is distance c, which is square root of 5. So what we're gonna have, we have to label them first: v1, v2, v3, v4, f1, f2. Okay, so quickly work out what is the v1, v2, v3, v4. v1, it's on the left, so the x coordinate will change by 3, go to the left, and 2, so you're gonna have negative 2, 2, V2 on the other hand is going to the positive side, so 1 plus 3, which is 4, 2, V3 going upwards, so the y coordinate will change, the x remain the same, so 1, 2 plus 2, 1, 4, V4, 1, 2 minus 2, 1, 0. Okay, so your F1 would be 1 minus square root of 5, 2, and F2 is 1 plus square root of 5, 2. So you can either put it back here, all the coordinates, and you can realize this is 1, 0. So the axis will be somewhere here, x-axis. And then if you work it out, you can see that this point is actually still negative. So the y-axis will be somewhere here. Okay, and that's it.